Summary of the book, The Intelligence Trap. Why do smart people make stupid mistakes, and how can wiser decisions be made? In this summary, The IQ Trap is an interesting book and offers a number of useful ideas. It is recommended for people who want to improve their ability to make better decisions. Here are some key points from the book. Intelligence is not everything. There are other factors that are important for making good decisions, such as wisdom and emotional intelligence. Intelligence can lead to self-centeredness, ignoring information that does not correspond to our beliefs. Intelligence can lead to prejudice, make illogical decisions. Intelligence can lead to vanity, underestimation of risks. Absolutely. Here are some examples of how to avoid the intelligence trap. 1. Ask for feedback from others. When faced with a difficult decision, they may have different points of view that can help you see things differently. 2. Take your time to make a decision. Do not rush to make decisions. 3. Be open to change. Do not be a stickler for your opinion even if it seems to be wrong. 4. Be humble. Do not think that you know everything.